Scott from Uncapped Honeybees. I'm going to show you guys something. I'm going to try something, and we're going to follow this little experiment. And so I'm going to show you this little thing that I found today while I was mowing the grass here. I was riding along in the mower, and all of a sudden I looked down and I had bees all over me. I had just I rode under a swarm. And so I'm going to show you this little swarm that has happened, and we're going to put this swarm in a box, and we're going to follow it. It's a very, very small swarm, so I'm going to turn this camera around. There's the swarm right there, and I'll give you my hand for reference. My hand is right behind the swarm, so it's no bigger than my hand, probably, I don't know, a cup and a half of bees. And I'm gonna take this swarm, and I'm going to put it in a 2-frame mini nuke right here, and we're gonna see how they overwinter and if they work. So I'll do more videos and show you guys what what the swarm does. And what I have here is I put just an empty frame with a starter strip like that, and then I put a full frame of drone comb in there. And so I'm going to put this swarm in this little 2-frame box. I'm going to close them up for a couple days, so then they think it's home, and we'll see what happens. I don't know how these guys will overwinter. They don't have any resources in here. I may go and put some honey in there, and so they'll have something to eat. I'll probably feed them. Once I open them up, I'll start feeding them, and until it gets too cold. Here right now it's probably, I don't know, it's in the 80s during the day, and in the 60s at night, and so I still have some time to feed, and hopefully they'll produce enough resources. So I'm going to put the video on pause, and I'm going to put the swarm in the box, and I'll pick it back up. All right, I have the swarm in the box, little 2-frame box. I put it over here in my big yard, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to follow this. I have them closed up just with a wire screen so they can be ventilated, and we'll see how this works. I'll put a jar of sugar water on top there, and so I'll follow them. I'll keep you guys up to date, and so go like, subscribe, and you guys have a great day.